If you've ever had to deal with formatting dates, dropping leading zeros, or masking various types of numbers, then you're going to love the text function. The text function lets you change the way a number appears by applying various formats to it so that the result is more readable or usable. The basic syntax is that you point to a reference cell and tell Excel exactly how you want it to be formatted. I'm going to walk through 4 different scenarios, however I promise you, there are thousands more problems just waiting to be solved with the text function. Number 1. The text function is great at manipulating dates, and you can format it just about any way you wish. First, type equals text parentheses. Click on the cell you want to reference. Next, indicate how you want the cell to be formatted and be sure to enclose it in quotations. In this case, I'm going to show the date with a 3-letter month abbreviation, the day of the month and the year, then close the function with a parentheses. As you can see, the date is now nicely formatted exactly how I want it. Secondly, I'm going to show just the year using the same method. To make things quicker, I'm going to simply alter my existing formula by deleting the parts I don't want. And now I have a nicely formatted calendar year. There are many ways to format a date, and you can see all of the date formatting options in the link below the video. However, you can already see how flexible it is. Number 2. Leading zeros. Many times you will get a data source that has dropped the leading zeros from the service line or LOB code. Text function to the rescue. First, type equals text parentheses. Click on the cell you want to reference. Then, tell Excel how the number should be formatted. In this case, I want 3 digits to be shown no matter how many are in the reference cell. Close the function with a parentheses, and now I have an LOB code with 3 digits. Number 3. Given a series of numbers, you can actually apply a kind of mask to it. In this case, I'm going to take a phone number and use the format function to show it in standard phone number format. First, type equals text parentheses. Click on the cell you want to reference. Then, indicate how the numbers should be formatted. In this case, I want to show a parentheses, 3 digits, a closing parentheses, 3 digits, a dash, and then 4 more digits. Then, close the parentheses. I now have a nicely formatted phone number. Number 4. This is another take on the leading zeros, except I'm adding something to it. I need to create an employee ID by starting with the letters US and then adding a 5-digit employee number. In this case, there's only 4 digits in the employee number, so I'm going to use the text function to add a leading zero. First, type equals US in quotations, because we want to start the employee ID with US. Next, type ampersand, which will concatenate the US to what I type next. Then type text parentheses. Click on the reference cell, then indicate how the number should be formatted. In this case, I want there to be 5 digits. Close the parentheses, and now a 5-digit employee code with the US prefix is available. There are many more ways you can use the text function. In fact, you're only limited by your imagination. If you have another useful way to use this function, please put it in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more tips in the future, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so that you'll be the first to be notified when I post a new tip every Wednesday.